very successful bee balm, maybe just a drop too successful. So you're going to take about 2/3 of it away, give it to your mom or put it somewhere here. Then put in a few other things. You have the black-eyed Susans, so you want some native stuff. So you could go with some tick-seed coreopsis, some coneflower, some butterfly weed, some smaller milkweed variety. You could even do like goldenrod toward the back. And I would kind of group things. And then I would do creeping phlox along the edge. First of all, it loves the hot stone. So you could do the same thing over there. You said you're getting the mulch runoff. So the more you have in these areas that kind of you can pack it all in, the less mulch you'll need. You've got the living mulch, so that's cheaper, and you have to do very little maintenance then. You just chop it back in the spring. You even can shove the little bits and pieces in there, and then that's chop and drop, and then it all goes back into the soil. It's free, it's less work, so it's all good.
That is good.
Yeah.